through phrases and understanding numeric rating. Will you please, do you have a piece of paper? Yeah, now, supposed to be, ang activity sheets na ihatag ko sa inyo, lagi. So, nag-aantay lang po sila. Ian, will you please get on paper or what? Okay, ready? Okay, sige. Now, out of that activity sheet na you're going to make, you make a numeric rating scale, some phases of pain scale. And then, muna siya inuod nyo. Anyway, yan ang papel nyo. Within 2 minutes, you are to draw the kind of pain you experienced in the past when you get hurt. Pwede nyo mag-drawing? Anong gawa nyo rin? Sa saan ko last na experience pain? Like for example, sa days ago, experience siya pain. Can you draw ang pain mo? Ready? We will have 2 minutes. Kung nabuhaw na eh, nato sa papel mo. Ready? And go. Your time starts now. Sige, subukan mo ang pain. Ang latest mo ka pain yan experience. Siyempre, ikaw yan ang experience na, di ba? Hindi kailangan na namin ang drawing, ha? Okay, last 1 minute. Sige, ibalik itong mga faces. Ito siya, faces. Okay? Ready na? Last 30 seconds. Sino na natapos? Meron na natapos. Okay na. Rate your drawing in both numeric pain scale phases, pain scale, and from 0 to 10. Ano siya question sunod? Rate your drawing in both numeric pain scale and phases pain scale from 0 to 10. Ang sa phases pain scale, dapat mo siya yan, di ba? Ang sa numeric, dapat mo yan. So, dua. And then, share the work with the class. Nalagay ako sa kayo. Okay? Ano na? Kasi kami eh. Ang sa numeric, 4. No pain. Mild pain. Moderate. Okay, 7 to 10 is severe. Mild, moderate, severe. No. No pain. Okay? Sinong gusto na mag-share ng chocolate? Go! O, sige na, go! Go ba? Paano mo naman alam kung saktuhin mo yung broccoli? Okay, go! Pakita sila. O, hindi na, hindi pala may lamay, pero yung pami namin. O, sige na, ito na yung explain mo. Go! Na ano yung mo? Super control. So, siyempre, worst pain dito yan, na hindi yung malipatan. Okay, very good. Ano yung chocolate? Okay, next. Sino pa? Yes, go. Go.
So, ang midterm mo sa paper ko is like nagtapos-bot ako. Kay last year, nag-feral therapy, it was a classmate ko na landlord ko, pali natas ko classmate. So, based out of that, yung na-experience ko na pain, kaya nag-ulit ko lang kaya.
So, moderate lang. Pero wala ka man na hospital. Okay, sige. Oh, last to share. Aldea. Oh, sige. Go.
Hey guys, after that, this is, I don't know, again, nasa tapos, hindi na lang natapos kami sa children's. And since it was not home, it was not home, so naman ko, ang pinakakit na I'm for your
Okay, maganda naman kung sakit tayo, hindi dapat lang sa hospital. So, moderate pain. Okay, thank you very much. Here's your prize. Now, here is the individual activity scenario. Ask the name, and then we will have an evaluation. A 7-year-old girl named Aliyah was treated by a responder after falling while playing basketball with her teammates. You are the responder conducting the emergency response. Aliyah is conscious and would not move her feet because of pain. As the responder, what type of pain scale assessment you will use and why? Individual, i-recite ka na lang para madali. May gabi na. Okay? Who would like to do it first? Sino? Oh, go.
I would use the NRS assessment because